Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you are all doing great today. Thank you all for your likes, thank you for your comment, thank you for your subscriptions as well. You all might have seen this look before in my previous video, and it's like, if you ever fall in love with any of this, you can actually go get the bigger one. So this is the main purpose of this video, just some swatches and application, and we'll be good to go. So I've already used this in my other previous video. This is what I had on in that video, this color. I'll go ahead and swatch it, but I'm not going to be applying it in order not to waste a lot of time because I have it in my other video. So this is how this look like. So I just put a lip liner from Ruby Kiss, which is like kind of red. I just put it under it in order to give it a little bit tone. This is really beautiful. I love the color, and like I said, it was another video of mine, so I don't think I'm going to be applying it in order not to waste a lot of time. And if you see me looking at my looking on this way all the time in my video, I always forgot to tell you guys that's where I have my laptop, and I have to see if I'm in line with the camera. Okay, so this is another one. The first one, I'm really sorry. Oh, I'm in bad review. 314, that's the number of this one, and it's spicy blush, which is this one. And the second one that I'll be trying is sultry sangria. I don't know if I pronounce it right, but I'll be putting the names on the screen for you guys to see. It's 326 sultry sangria, and this is how that one look. This is so beautiful. See, I won't be using a lip pencil with all this in order to move on really fast. So it's like purple kind of little bit purple pinkish kind of shade. So let me apply it on my lip for you guys to see. So the next one is 310 topless. Top as in top, shade top, and less, topless. I'll put its name in on the screen for you to see. I'm not pronouncing them right, but I'll go ahead and swatch for you to see how that look like. I've never used this kind of shade in my entire life. I don't know how it's going to turn out on my lips, but we're going to give it a try. So the last one is called 302 Violet Twist. So I will swatch, then apply. OMG, this is gorgeous. Like, see how I call it? OMG, this is gorgeous. Honestly speaking, look at that. So let's go ahead and apply on the lips. So this is the last one. What do you all think? I really love this shade. I think it fits me more better than the rest of them. And I'll put the names of all this liquid lipstick. I'll put them on the screen for you all to see. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, could you please subscribe and help me to continue to grow. And this video, give me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.